Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you what is my current works in progress, all of my crochet and knitted works in progress. This is me actually from editing this video. At the beginning this video was planned to be together with the last video where I showed you everything that I have knitted and crocheted for this year, but then the video became too long, so that's why I divided that into two videos. So that's why now I am jumping in and presenting this video, because I did not have an intro for this video, but however, the continuation of this video, it is going to be what I was planning to show you in the last video, but as I told you, it was too long. So yeah, I hope you are going to enjoy this video and keep up with what is going on in my crochet and knitted life. And without further ado, let's just jump into the video. So as I previously showed you, my pink sweater with a seed stitch. Now I'm working in the same pattern, the same sweater, but this time I'm using gray with a strand of mohair. So here I have one strand of white mohair and gray Peruvian wool. This is all from Hobby, and I am working the same sweater as I showed you before, but this time in gray. So this is the project that I would just take on in the evenings when I have maybe 30 minutes free, and I will just sit, and before sleeping I will just knit a round or two, because it's not that I need this urgently, it's not urgent. So yeah, this is the project that I would, and this is perfect for that, because sometimes I would not have anything to crochet for filming or for anything, so it's nothing urgent to do, so I have nothing actually on my hands, so I will just pick this one and I will just do a couple of rounds. So yeah, this is my first work in progress that I'm having. Next, let me show you what I am preparing for you for coming tutorials. So here are many granny squares. So the next tutorial that is coming your way, it is actually this bag that I am doing, and maybe the bag would be already online before this video, but yeah, this is what I'm really working right now. I have just blocked them, and I'm just going to continue filming the tutorial now because I need to sew them, and then yeah, that is the handbag that is going on actually right now, and it is very nice because it is the same granny square, and it is very rewarding because you just keep crocheting these granny squares and the pattern is the same. Your attention does not have to be anywhere, you just crochet the same pattern over and over, and on the background I can watch a movie or I can watch a documentary or anything like that. So this project is perfect for that. But anyway, it is coming your way, or maybe it's already online, we will see. So the next one, which I am again planning to show you, is this pouch. I haven't finished it yet 100%, but I have seen this pouch on Sesane, and it is for like 85 euros, and I thought, well, I can crochet that. So I finished the whole body of the pouch, but I am working now on the accessories, because the Sesane pouch has this rounds over here. So yeah, I do want to find a way how to crochet those and some other accessories or things to decorate. That's why this pouch is not, it's still very much work in progress. And the next one project that I do want to show you, it's actually not for now, but maybe it's going to be a pattern for in the coming months, maybe for autumn, because it's the Sophie scarf. I mean, the whole internet, the whole Instagram, has been talking about the Sophie scarf, so I was like, okay, we need a crocheted one. So then I started and I crocheted one with this kind of shape in this color, and then I crocheted another one with 100% wool this time, and again, I experimented and I played with sizes, with stitches. Like this one here is a half double crochet stitch, this one here is linked double crochet stitch, so I played a little bit around. This is wider, this is tighter, and then the last one that I did is this one, which has a small triangle shape, and they are using it right now like this. So like putting it in the front, then they turn, and then they tie it in the front again. So I've seen this everywhere, and I was like, okay, this could be a project that I would love, because this is a scrap project also, a really great scrap project. So yeah, this is another crochet project that I am working on, and it is coming soon. And also I do want to show you my next project that I am working on. It is actually lace. I am really also into lace this summer, and I do want to crochet this shirt. So I am using this diamond pattern that I am going to give you the tutorial for this diamond pattern, and I want to crochet a shirt. All these boxy shirts with lace, and yeah, this is just the beginning. I just started. This is the back, and I am planning to use the thread. So I am using one pattern with a thread, but I am also planning to use DK yarn. And with the DK yarn, the pattern is bigger, of course, becomes bigger. I hope you can see this one. So like this is with DK yarn, and the pattern, it is really big. And this is with the thread, so the pattern is very small. So let me show you. So this is a full pattern with the DK yarn, and this is a full pattern with the thread. So you can see that it's not half of it, of course, but it is very small. So I am planning to do one pattern with this one, with a thread, because it is going to be lighter, and one pattern with this one, because actually the inspiration, where I took my inspiration from, it has this kind of pattern. It has the pattern with the DK yarn. It is huge. So that is what I am planning. So the next project that I am actually starting, even though I am crocheting the other one with the thread, I will continue that, but in the same time I am planning to start also this project with the DK yarn. I want to do them parallelly. Is that a word? Yeah, anyway, in parallel together. And I guess many of you do that. So as you can see, it is kind of a lot of works in progress right now. I am a little bit overwhelmed, and sometimes I'm like, I shouldn't do this because I have to simplify, and I should just keep one work in progress and finish that and start with the other one, but you know, I just can't. And I don't want to end up with because a few works in progress are stuck because of filming or because of something, so I can't continue working with that. So I have ended up at the evening, if I have 30 minutes, with nothing to crochet or knit. So that's why I it's good to keep always one or two works in progress that are mindless. So that's why, hence the knitting project, the knitting sweater that I have, because I don't need a knitted sweater right now, but I'm just knitting it because I'm planning to write the pattern for it for the next winter. So yeah, that's it pretty much, my darlings, and I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I hope you took inspiration from all my projects and maybe use them on your own crochet and knitted projects. Or maybe you just want to follow my tutorials, and there are plenty of tutorials on my channel, so you can just go on and check those check those patterns. And yeah, look out for all these patterns that are coming your way. This is what I am planning right now. And yeah, I will see you on my next one. Bye! Cheers!